3 reasons why you should go see your dental hygienist. Reason number 1 is to clean your teeth. We need to take care of the plaque, of the stain, of the buildup, the calculus, the soft deposit. We need to clean all of that. The second reason why you should go see your dental hygienist is because the hygienist is going to see you way more often than the dentist will see you. So we're in the front line to see if you have diseases in your mouth, if something's wrong with your mouth, if something's wrong with your teeth, if you have cavities. And then we tell the dentist, and then we come up with a treatment plan catered to your needs. Reason number 3, your dental hygienist is an educator. So he should show you how to floss properly, how to brush properly, how to take care of your mouth. He could also recommend products that will address your own issues.